Perfect chicken malai sheikh kebab biryani recipe for biryani lovers. Biryani in India is one of the foods we love the most, and every biryani lover wants to try out their variations. In this we use chicken boneless cubes with which we further prepare sheikh kebab, then sear it with white, mild, spicy gravy. So let's get started. Add 500 grams boneless chicken in a blender. Add handful of coriander leaves, 4 green chilies, roughly chopped onion, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon roasted gram flour, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon crushed coriander, half teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. Grind it nicely. Give a charcoal smoke before you make sheiks. Now grease hands with little oil and take a handful of chicken mixture and insert bamboo skewers or straw. Give the shape of sheikh kebab. Prepare all sheikh kebabs like this and set aside. Let's prepare mayonnaise and cream mixture. Add 1 cup mayonnaise, one cup fresh cream, 1 cup almond paste. Mix this nicely. Add 1 cup water. Mix well and set aside. Now add 4 tablespoons oil to a pan on medium flame. When oil smokes, add 4 sheiks at a time and fry till golden brown and evenly cooked from all sides. After cooked from all sides evenly, take out on a plate. Same way to fry all the sheikh kebabs. Once done, set aside. Now let's make the yakhni. Add half cup oil in a pan. Goes in 2 bay leaf, 1 inch cinnamon, 3 cloves, 2 cardamoms. To this I am adding 2 chopped onion. Saute till it becomes translucent. Half teaspoon cumin seeds. 2 tablespoons ginger and garlic paste. Fry this for few seconds. Now add 2 tablespoons green chili paste. Mix well. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon biryani masala. 1 tablespoon white pepper powder. Give this a mix. Now adding 1 cup curd. Give this a very nice mix. Now add mayonnaise mixture. Mix nicely and cook this for 10 minutes in slow flame. Once done, set aside. I have already cooked the rice. I have used 1 kg rice soaked and cooked 80%. And now I am using a heavy bottom pan. Spread rice. Then add the white gravy on top. Place sheikh kebabs. If you want, you can add green color. This is optional. Again layer this with rice. Top up with gravy. and place sheiks. Repeat the same process. I forget to add ghee. Add 3 tablespoons ghee on top and seal it with foil. Cover and cook on dum for 20 minutes on the lowest flame. So this delicious Malai Sheikh biryani is ready to serve. So guys, give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you. Snap a pic and tag us on our Instagram page shimis.kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more such amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.